Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can crank 90s as fast as possible in Fortnite. So, first of all, let's hop onto Fortnite and we will go into a free build map. You can use my map for this, Coach Phillips Practice Map. This is the island code right here. Type that in, select the island and load into the game. While you're loading in, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and comment down below if you have any questions while we're doing the 90s. Once you've started the game, go ahead and grab a grappler and hop into the free build section. Now, to do 90s, I'll show you some different versions. First of all, the standard 90 version is build a ramp first. Build a ramp first, and we always want to stay on the left side of the ramp. So run up to the left top corner, then you place a wall in front of you and to your right. Then you place a floor, and then you place a stair. This way you don't even have to jump because you're so far up. Now the floor is important, it boosts you up. Some people leave the floor out, don't do that, place the floor for safety. And the stair for every 90 is turned 90 degrees, so that's why it's called 90s. So you keep going up this way, and then you do floor and stair. So you always run to the top of your stair, do the walls in front of you and to your right, and then a floor and a stair. And that way you can keep going up. Later on, I like to do 90s, so when you get really fast, I like to do two 90s in one jump. So you do a 90, you jump, and then you already do the second one. So that's the basic version of the 90. Make sure, just a little disclaimer, don't use 90s in game. We have good videos on how to build, how to get high ground. Please don't use 90s. They're gonna mess you up. You only need them for 1v1s in creative. But yeah, different version of the 90. Always stay on the left. Now only build walls to your right, leave this one out, and then floor and stair. And you can keep doing this up. So you always just look to your right, build two walls, and add a floor and stair. Some people nowadays even just like doing 90s like this, so they just do the stairs and they keep going up like this. So you do a floor and a stair, always turned 90 degrees. Always stay on the top left if you're doing them to your right. Of course, you can do this whole thing the other way around. If you want to do light 90s to your left, you walk on the right side. So you walk on the right and then do them to your left. That works as well. It's just very uncommon that people like to do this way. So yeah, that's 3 ways of 90s, the standard one, then this one, and the new version. Make sure you don't use 90s too much, and comment down below if you have any more questions or any builds you want to learn in the future.